In today's video, I'm going to teach you optimizing your Google Ads campaign. Settings, keywords, ads, and landing pages. We'll start in your campaign settings because the foundations you set here determine who actually sees your ads. First, refine your locations. Target the countries, regions, or cities where your customers are, and exclude areas that don't convert to avoid wasted spend. If you serve only certain neighborhoods or don't ship to specific zones, set those boundaries clearly. Next, review device settings. Look at how your traffic performs on mobile versus desktop and tablet. If most of your conversions come from mobile, make sure your experience is smooth there and adjust your focus accordingly. Finally, set a sensible ad schedule. Run your ads when your audience is most likely to engage or when your team can respond to leads promptly. If you notice performance dips at certain hours, consider limiting spend during those times and concentrating on high intent windows. Now, move to your keywords. Open your search keywords and add negative keywords to stop irrelevant searches from triggering your ads. This protects your budget and improves relevance. Think of terms that suggest someone is researching rather than ready to buy, or queries related to a different product entirely. Those belong on your negative list. Then prioritize long tail, high intent keywords. These are more specific phrases that reveal what a user really wants, and they typically convert better at a lower cost. Use phrasing that mirrors the way customers describe your product or problem, and choose match types that preserve intent without being overly broad. Next, improve your ads to raise relevance and click-through rate, both of which lift quality score. Align each ad closely with its ad group keywords and the user's search. Put the primary keyword in the headline. When it makes sense, clearly state your value proposition and include a direct call to action. Make each headline and description work together so the benefit is unmistakable. Refresh underperforming ads, test variations methodically, and highlight what sets you apart, such as fast shipping, guarantees, or social proof. Using relevant extensions like site links and callouts can also boost visibility and CTR by giving people more reasons to click. Finally, optimize your landing pages for speed and relevance. Ensure the headline matches the ad's promise, the key information appears immediately, and the path to conversion is obvious. Keep the page lightweight for faster load times, especially on mobile, and remove friction like excessive form fields. When the page content mirrors the user's intent and loads quickly, your quality score and conversion rates both improve. Follow these steps regularly, and you'll see more qualified traffic, higher quality scores, and better results from your ad spend.